I'm going to show you how to crochet a flower hair clip, no sewing, and it is easy and perfect for beginners. And if you're looking for something to give to someone, this is the perfect gift. So if you're ready, this is the materials. We're gonna need a 8-ply milk cotton yarn, a 3mm crochet hook, hair clips, and also a 2 pieces of white pearls. So let's start. So first, you're going to make a magic ring. And then chain 2. Then make a puff stitch. So to do this, yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through just 2 loops. So you're going to repeat this until you have 4 loops into your hook. So now that you have 4 loops, you're going to yarn over all at once. Then chain 3. Then slip stitch this into the ring. So that is how you make 1 petal. Then you're going to repeat this until you have reached 5 petals. And hey, if you're new here and if you want more of these tutorials, you should subscribe and stick around. So now if you have 5 petals, you're going to chain 1 and then to secure it. So cut the working yarn, pull through, and of course tie the excess yarn. So you're going to pull first the beginning of the yarn so the flowers will be tighter. Then you're going to tie the excess yarns. And of course, don't forget to cut the excess yarn. So that is how you make a flower. Now, here's the part that most beginners get wrong. Make sure that the flowers is flat so it will have a perfect shape. So you have to have 2 flowers for this hair clip. Then you can always go back to the start of the tutorial to follow along. Then get your 2 pearls. Then don't forget your glue gun. So please be careful in using this one. So for this, you're going to attach the pearls into the middle portion of the flower. So put the glue in the middle and kindly press the pearls into the middle portion. So please, the glue is hot, so please be careful on handling this one. And hey, if you're just starting out and want to crochet cute giftable pieces, I made a little series you can follow. It's linked in the description below. And of course, you're going to attach this into the hair clips. Put the glue into the flower first, and then attach the hair clip into the end portion. Repeat this process into the second hair clip. And now we're done with our hair clips. But if you're going to give this to someone, we should always make a cute packaging out of this. So first, you're going to cut a 4x4 cardboard and slice 2 lines into the center. We're going to attach or clip the hair clips into the center portion. So this is a DIY hair clips packaging. I also have this plastic film for packaging. This is perfect for handmade projects. So that is how you crochet a flower hair clips in under 10 minutes. It's easy, perfect for beginners, and it is the perfect gift if you're looking for something to give to someone. So if you made this, show me in the comments and I love to see yours. And if you like this, you'll also love my velvet crochet tutorial. It is linked down below. Okay, see you!